guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to make the national dish of the Philippines, the Filipino chicken adobo. So let's get cooking.
To myself, what a wonderful world.
So I will show you what are the core ingredients of making Filipino adobo. I'm using chicken. I have chicken thighs here, bone in, and I've chopped up some garlic, a lot of garlic. So this is the smell of my people. No, I'm kidding. No, that's not my smell, don't worry. So we have some soy sauce, vinegar, laurel leaves. So I've preheated my pan here, and I'm gonna sear the chicken thigh. So I have some oil in. Some people marinate it, but I like to sear my chicken to get my skin a bit caramelized. That makes sense.
What a wonderful world.
So I've already fried the chicken, so I'm gonna turn the heat down and put on garlic. So by the way, I will write the recipe down below in the description box, so you can see the ratio of how much garlic and how much soy sauce and how much vinegar I've put in. But I think this is two balls of garlic. That's a lot. That's quite a lot. But I want it. Filipino, what is adobo without garlic anyway? I don't want it burnt. I can smell now the garlic. It's such a strong flavor. So now we're gonna put the soy sauce. This is 1 cup of soy sauce. So if guys you're asking me what kind of soy sauce I've used this one. This is a Filipino soy sauce. It's a bit more thicker and a bit more flavor. And the kind of vinegar I've used is this one. This is a cane vinegar. So this is available from your all Asian supermarket. It's not difficult to find. So this we call it cane vinegar. So I'll put it in. And some bay leaves. So I will just stir it down a little bit to have the aroma come in. And we're putting back the chicken. Put in the sugar. But I want it to be a bit of a sweet side. And lots of pepper. And water. So I put everything in the pot, so I'm gonna cover this and simmer for 30 to 35 minutes.
What a wonderful world.
The sauce is a little bit still translucent for me, and I want to reduce the sauce and I want it a bit more thick. So I'm gonna put the heat up and turn the chicken on the other side so I can have this like rich color of the soy sauce. And of course we're also gonna taste it if it needs more seasoning. Let's see. That's perfect. Sour, salty, tangy, singy, and everything you want for a comfort food in the winter time. And guys, if you want more of my recipes, check out www.seskitchen.com. Please like my Facebook page and check out all my Instagram for more recipe updates. So finally, my chicken adobo is already cooked. And what is chicken adobo? Without rice. And what is Filipino? Without rice as well. So I will taste this one. I went to the Asian grocery yesterday and I found this banana leaf, so to be a bit more authentic, so we're putting it in. So look at that, guys, so beautiful. And the sauce is just so glossy, yummy. Look at that. So guys, this is my chicken adobo, so I am going to taste it. And fun fact, Filipino people doesn't use knives and fork. We use spoon and fork. So, I'm gonna taste it. See, you can see the chicken is fork tender. This is how I like it. And the sauce is just so glossy. Guys, this is just so good. I'm just gonna eat it. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe. And till next time, I'm gonna enjoy my plate. Bye! The Filipino chicken adobo is a national dish of the Filipinos, of the Philippines, loved by Filipinos.